Are you looking to earn extra income from the comfort of your own home? So if so, you have clicked on the right perfect video right now. So today we are going to dive into the world of transcriptions. Okay, so I'll be sharing with you the three fantastic websites where you can start making money by transcripting audio and video content. So grab your notepad and let's start it. And then before you head off to sign up, when you are watching this video, kindly watch it to the end because I will share you a couple of tips and tricks for you to start making money with this website. Okay, the first website I'll be talking about right now is what we call TranscribeMe, and then with this website you can earn a minimum of $15 per hour, okay, on video transcripting, all right, and videos too. But if you have a team, you can earn up to $60 to $70. Maybe the team is not up to like 10, you can have a team up to like 3 to 4 people and start together by making money in an hour. So you can make up to $60 to $70. Or if it's only you, you make the minimum of $15 and the maximum of $20. But if there is an expert that make more than this in an hour, all right, so you just need to practice and learn this process so that you will make a lot of money from this website. And then main thing about this website is that they pay you by transcripting audios and videos. Then you start getting paid, and then they pay you weekly. Transcript pay weekly, and you can withdraw any time on that withdrawal date. Okay, and then let's dive into how you can start with this website. So what you need to start with this website, to come here and come to the freelancer on your interface. Okay, once you are in the freelancer, you can go to the description and click the link on the TranscribeMe to get started. So on the freelancer, you just click on the start freelancing. Once you click on the start freelancing, it will take you to the sign up page where you input all your details and get started. Okay, so that's, you need to watch these videos to the end for you to get the tips that you will use to start making money with this website. So what you need to do is that you fill in the details here and you click on the sign up, then you get started. So let's move to the next website that you can start making money by transcripting. And this next website, it will blow up your mind. It's the #1 transcript website in this world. Here is the second website that I'll be showing you now. This website is called Rev, right? So in this particular website, you get 30 cents to $1 per minute, okay, on transcriptionist that you do, and on captioners you get minimum of 54 cents to $1 per minute. And then if you know the foreign language, maybe like Korea, China, and any other things, you earn more than this. Okay, for 1 minute audio or video that you do, if you know a foreign language, you earn $1.50 or maximum of $3.50 per minute. And then how do you get started with this particular website? On their landing page, they will not show you this, but go to the description of this video and click on the link that I dropped there for this particular website right now. And then if you see, say create a flexible works and schedule. Our freelancing jobs allow you to work as much or as little as you want. So whenever you want, you can come here at night, at afternoon, in the morning, come here and do your job. Then choose from hundreds of jobs. Okay, you need to select the one that you know that it will be easy for you to get started, and then pay you weekly. So you get paid weekly, all right, via paper for all work that completed. Okay, so they pay you on time. Okay, as you withdraw that week, they pay you direct into your PayPal account, so you don't need to wait for anything. So what you need to do is to come down at the bottom of this website and click on the sign up to get started with this Rev account. Alright, this is the third website I'll be showing you. And then you see this website, this is the interface it will give you when you click on the link. And for you to get started with this website, this landing page is for people that need transcript. Okay, so for you to get started with this website, all you need to do is to come to the bottom of this website and go to the resources. You see freelancers, you click on the freelancers here, And if you come here, you see that freelancer transcriptions, work at your convenience and earn $5 to $20 per hour audio hour. You see, you provide automated transcript to save you around 60% of typing effort. So this particular website will pay you the minimum of $5 per audio hours you did. Okay, but if you are an expert, you can make up to $20 in an hour. And once you started with this website, it's easy for you to start getting money. So what is transcriptions on this website? So require skills and listening ability and good comprehensions of English. Okay, you need to know how to listen to audios or videos to get what they are talking about in the videos or audio. So apply context and identify mistake and correct the automated transcript. Okay, and then you get paid $5 to $20 per audio hour. Pay into your verified PayPal account. A lot of people don't have PayPal account. Or if you want me to create a video for you on how to create a verified PayPal account in Africa, let me know in the comment sections. And then how much can you earn in a month with this particular website right now? If you come here, you see, let's go for a beginner. Okay, for a beginner that just started, I say if you work daily for 8 hours, you are going to get $400. Let's move back and see if you work for 5 hours, you get $250. And then come to the intermediate and you see that if you work for 8 hours, you get $800. And for advanced people that have learned and know how to do these transcriptions very well, so you earn $1,006 per month. Okay, and then the good thing is that what you need is good English and comprehensions, ability to interpret conversations, and ability to apply context and identify mistakes, and a verified PayPal account, which I've told you. Come to the comment section and ask for a video on how to create a verified PayPal account. Okay, and what you need is, one thing I like about this platform is that they have the transcribe guide. Okay, the guide that will put you through how to do these jobs and done with it till you get paid. All right, so what I wanted to tell you is that before you head off and sign up, okay, here are the couples of tricks, quick tips that I wanted to tell you. So make sure to practice your typing skills before you get started. Then familiarize yourself with transcriptions and guidelines, and invest in a good headphone. All right, so you will get a cleared audio that will make all the difference about what you are doing, right? So that you can get the higher amount from this website that I'm showing you. All this website, they have their advantage. Okay, they have their advantage, so you can try the one that you know that it will be easy for you to get started with. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel for your supportive